Good morning to all of you. I am Vaishnavi from Study 7th. My school name is Premalok Mission School, Patna 7. Now, today I am going to explain Class 10, Chapter 1, Chemical Reaction and Equation. In this chapter, we have learned about chemical reaction and equation. Now, a chemical reaction is a symbolic representation of a chemical change between the different substances. In a chemical reaction, the reactant react to form different products. The substances which combine or react are known as reactants, and the new substance produced in a reaction are known as product. The chemical reaction are grouped into multiple categories: combination reaction, displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, precipitation reaction, neutralization reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction. A chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine or react to form single substance under suitable conditions is called combination reaction. It is also known as synthesis reaction. A reaction in which one reactant breaks into two or more products due to breaking bond is called decomposition reaction. More reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound or solution are known as displacement reaction. Reactions which produce heat and energy are known as exothermic reaction. Most of the decomposition reaction are exothermic reaction. A reaction in which precipitate is formed the mixing of the aqueous solution of two salts is called precipitation reaction. The reaction in which an acid reacts with a base to form salt and water by an exchange reactions is called neutralization reaction. Heat is required to carry out the reaction is called endothermic reaction. Substance loss is electron or gain oxygen or loss hydrogen is called oxidation reaction, and the substance gain electron or loss oxygen and gain hydrogen are known as reduction reaction. The oxidation and reduction reaction is also known as redox reaction. Chemical equation. A chemical equation is a short method of representing a chemical reaction. A chemical equation are divided into two types: balanced chemical equation and unbalanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. A balanced chemical equation has number of atoms of each element is equal on both sides. Unbalanced chemical equation, if the number of atoms of each element in reactant is not equal to the number of atoms of each element present in the product, then the chemical equation are known as unbalanced chemical equation. Decomposition reaction are divided into two types: thermal decomposition reaction and electrolytic decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. The decomposition of a substance on heating is known as thermal decomposition reaction. Electrolyte reaction in which compound, because of passing of electricity, are known as electrolyte decomposition reaction. This is also known as electrolysis. Corrosion, gradual deterioration of a material, usually a metal, by the action of the moisture, air or chemical in the surrounding environment. Example, rusting of iron. Rusting iron when react with oxygen and moisturizer forms red substance which is called rust. Rancidity. It refers to the oxidation of fat and oil in food that is kept for a long time. It gives foul smell and bad taste to food. Rancid food causes stomach infection of constipation. Prevention. Use of airtight containers. Packaging with nitrogen. Refrigeration. Addition of antioxidant or preservatives. Thank you.